guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. I wonder if you drink vodka mudshake. I do. I love them, various flavor and whatnot. I love them all. But for today's vlog, it is a recipe for muffin that using vodka mudshake. You can use vanilla flavor or banana would make a great muffin too for this following one. It is basically a maple syrup muffin that I added vodka mudshake. And for the flavoring, it is pumpkin spice. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is 1 egg, quarter cup of melted unsalted butter, 1 bottle of vodka mudshake, and half cup of maple syrup. So we're just gonna beat it together. Just mix the dry ingredients. Now pour the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix it. Mix until completely combined. Batter is ready. Scoop them onto prepared muffin pan lined with cupcake wrapper until almost full, like 3/4 full. So not fully full, so it has a chance or opportunity to rise up. Like so. And I'm using jumbo mold. You can use regular or small one, but this is the jumbo mold. So we're gonna bake this muffin at preheated 400 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, look at this nice jumbo muffin. Just gonna cool it on cooling rack